Okay, so today I'm showing you step by step how to fix GoLogin Proxy connection error. First of all, when you paste your proxy connection details and you're receiving a connection error message, it's simply because you're not using the right proxies most of the time because you're using free proxies. You need to use high quality residential SOCKS, 5 or HTTPS proxies that require a username and password to work. If you don't know where to get, I put together a list of the best providers that I personally use in the description. Go get yours and follow the steps. Once you have your proxies ready, open GoLogin and create a new profile. Name it a random name, then scroll down to the proxy section because that's the important part. Paste your proxy host, the port, your proxy username and password. So I'll paste mine as well. And now click on Check Proxy. All right, you can see that the proxy is working perfectly fine. Now the final step is to save the profile and launch it to test if the proxy is fast. After launching, go to this website called hooer.net to check your location to make sure everything's as well configured. If this video was helpful to you, don't hesitate to like it and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.